so good. Look at the view. Wow, so good, so nice. It's so big. Look, looks so good. I think this is the ground floor. Is it the ground floor, guys? I don't know. But let me take you around. So there, we have some ring lights there. Wow. The place looks so good. Wow. Guys, let me take you along. So guys, let me take you around. The place looks so good actually. The stores are full like right now, but I don't think that they are open. Based on a weekend. Look at this view. So nice. So nice. Wow, we have a Somali shop here. I'm gonna walk around this nice place here so we can get a way through to go up. They are still installing some gypsums. Look, the mall is so clean. Look at this, how it is so beautiful. Let's keep on walking around, guys, as I show you around. The place is so good. We have another street here. I don't know if it's a street or what. So guys, come, I had you. So the place looks so nice, so clean. Wow, so good. I'm in love with this mall, guys. If you have never been here, make sure you visit this place. If you have never been into this mall, you need to. You need to. Oh, so good. The view looks so good, guys. And as you know, this is the biggest mall in East and Central Africa. This is the biggest mall in East and Central Africa. Last time I was here, the mall was empty actually. The stores were empty. But as you can see, so good. The view is so nice. So good. Guys, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Road to 5,000 subscribers. Look at this beautiful shop here. Guys, road to 5,000 subscribers. I'm just happy. Just happy as I take you around. So let's keep on walking, guys. The place is so nice. Yeah! The mall is so cool, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Wow. Guys, let's go upstairs. As I show you around, guys, give this video a like, make sure you watch till the end, make sure you subscribe. good. The view is so good. Let's keep on walking around. Last time, remember, I was here, the stalls were almost empty. And they also have we have a Carrefour. You have somewhere to do your shopping. So guys, that is Carrefour. You can see there. I don't know whether you can see there. People are doing some shopping. And I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be here. The mall is so clean. Let me take you around. This is another floor, guys, and just wanna go have. Wow, so clean. The mall is so clean. So I think I should take you up. Let's use this to go upstairs. Let's go up. Actually, the mall is so big, so I want to take you upstairs. You see this elevator. So guys, let's go. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe as we go up. Yeah. Just out, guys. Just out. Woo. Look at this beautiful, beautiful. I don't know what. People are taking photos here. So nice. Yeah. It looks so good. We have a bank coming up soon. Look at this beautiful place where people are taking photos. I think this is a place where people come to take photos.
Claudia.
Wakili ya kutembea. Wakili ya kutembea. Claudia walk. Ni sawa. Wacha nichukue around 10 minutes. Niko tu around.
Nichukue vizuri.
Welcome to BBS Mall. Welcome to BBS Mall. We have a nice place where you can get your ice creams. Guys, you can get your ice cream here. Look. A beautiful place where you can get your ice cream. Let's keep on walking around, guys. The place is so good. We have a restaurant here. So nice. Just happy to be here today. Yeah. I'm enjoying. Let me show you the view. Look how the view looks so good. Guys, the view looks so good. So make sure you subscribe as I show you around. Make sure you subscribe as I show you around. Yes. Wow. Guys, I think we should go upstairs again. I don't know which route we are going to use, but let's keep on walking around. We have chicken in there. I don't know whether you can see it well. We have chicken in there. This one we go upstairs. Fruits. Sasa. So guys, the place looks so good. Look at the view, and they have a nice place where you can play incredible. I don't know whether it's a zoomable. Yeah, it is so good, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I'm so in love with this beautiful mall, guys. So, as I take you around, look at this beautiful view here. Wow, so good.